In the realm of thoughts, where dreams are begot, dwells a man named NevilleGoddard, who taught a lot. In the echoes of time, his wisdom rings clear, whispering the secrets we all long to hear. Unseen yet powerful, the mind is a stage where thoughts are the actors and life is the page. Goddard's wisdom, like a guiding star, illuminates the truth of who we truly are. With imagination as the key and assumption as the door, he invites us to explore a world we've barely seen before. He said all things are possible if you just believe, a simple truth that's difficult to conceive. For we're not mere mortals in a cosmic play, but divine creators with a say. We mold our reality with every thought, an empowering truth that God had taught. The concept of self, not just skin and bone, but a powerful essence that's yet unknown. We are not just the body, mind, or soul, but the infinite consciousness that makes us whole. Our reality is a reflection of our inner state, a mirror of thoughts that we create, the law of assumption, a principle so grand, a testament to the power we command. For what we assume, we come to see in the canvas of life a self-fulfilling prophecy. Imagination, not just a child's play, but a divine tool to mold our everyday. It paints our reality with hues of our choice, a testament to the power of our inner voice. What we imagine, we bring to be a magical truth for those who dare to see. The power within us, vast and profound, is a limitless ocean where possibilities abound. For the world without is but a reflection of the world within, our own creation. As we delve into the depths of self, we find a world of infinite possibilities in the mind. Who are we, you ask, in this grand cosmic dance? We're creators of reality in every circumstance. Are we merely flesh and bone, or is there more beneath the skin? Is it not the spirit's home where true existence does begin? Ponder on this thought a while. Let it steep within your mind. We are more than just a physical profile. Our essence is of a different kind. It's awareness that shapes our reality, a concept Goddard did uphold. It's the eye that sees not with vanity, but truths waiting to unfold. We are the painters of our life's canvas, with each thought a vibrant hue. Our feelings shape and mold this expanse, creating a world that's ever new. The concept of self is more than it seems. It's a dance between the seen and unseen. In the mirror of awareness, our true self we see, not bound by form, but free. How do we apply these teachings to life's ebb and flow? By assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, we grow. To truly grasp this concept, we must first understand that our reality is but a reflection of our inner state. It's not about wishing or hoping, but truly embodying the feeling of our desires as if they are already a reality. This is not a mere act of imagination, but a profound shift in our consciousness. It's about living in the end, not in anticipation of the end. It's about feeling the joy of the goal achieved, the triumph of the task completed. It's about walking in the shoes of our future selves, with every step echoing the rhythm of success. And so, as we navigate through the currents of our lives, we learn to steer our ship with the compass of our emotions. We learn to plant the seeds of our desires in the fertile grounds of our consciousness. With every thought and feeling, a seed we sow in the fertile soil of the mind, where dreams grow. From the chrysalis of the old self emerges the new, transformed by the power of thought. It's true. For within the teachings of Goddard, we find the key to self-revolution of the mind. Our thoughts and assumptions, like seeds sown in the fertile ground of consciousness, are grown. As we cultivate our inner realm, our outer world starts to overwhelm. It mirrors back our deepest fears, but also the hopes and dreams we hold dear. Like an artist with his brush, we paint our reality in the hush. Each stroke, a thought, each color, an assumption, creating a masterpiece of self-construction. The power of transformation, a force so great, it shapes our destiny, it seals our fate. It's not magic, it's not a rite, but a simple shift from darkness into light. Through the power of transformation, our dreams take flight. In the canvas of reality, we write.
Subscribe for more. Unlock the hidden door. Transform your life with wisdom to explore.